How to change your primary email address on Facebook from your phone. If you've created a new email address and you want to make it the primary address for your Facebook account, you can easily do so by first opening the Facebook app. And from the tabs at the bottom of your screen, select the menu icon in the bottom right corner. Then select Settings and Privacy, and from the options, click Settings. Under the Account Settings section, select Personal Information. If you select the Email Address tab, you'll see the current email address associated with your account. To add a new email address, you can click Add Email Address. Then enter the email address you'd like to use in the field and select Add Email. You can then confirm your new email address by selecting Confirm Email Address. Facebook will then send a confirmation code to your email address, which you can copy and paste into the field below. Once you have it entered, click Confirm. Your new email address has now been added to your Facebook account. Unfortunately, within the Facebook app, you can't switch your primary email address to this new one. However, if you open up Facebook in a web browser on your phone, you can switch to the desktop version of Facebook by clicking in the web bar at the top of your browser and then deleting the M from the URL link and replacing it with www. Once you're on the desktop version of Facebook, you can zoom in to the top right corner of your screen and select the drop-down arrow. Then from your options, click Settings. If we view our general account settings, you can see that our old email address is listed as our primary email address. If we select Edit beside the contact information, we can choose to make our new email address our primary one by clicking Make Primary. Our new email address is now our primary email address, and we can use it to log into our Facebook account. And that's how to change your primary email address on Facebook from your phone. If this video helped you, let us know by liking it or commenting below. And don't forget to subscribe for more how-to instructional videos.